In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem rewards codes on Monopoly Go. So first off, you just have to search Monopoly Go in your browser and just go to reward codes. But first, you just have to go and log in. Log in with Facebook. And you can register this through Google Play or literally the app of Monopoly Go. And after that, you just have to sign in with Facebook. And after that, just click this reward codes. And once you are in here, you just have to paste this code. And after that, you just have to redeem this code, paste this code, just copy this and paste it there and just go. And after that, if you open Monopoly Go, you can see this reward.